So this is not how I wanted to start 2026. The state of my room equals atrocious. Oh, there's just fucking shit everywhere. I'll just show you, it's really bad. Hi. So this is not how I wanted to start 2026. It is the 5th or 6th today of January. And all I've done this year is brain rot. So much for our 2026 rebrand. So we need to get cleaning. Well, actually the first thing we need to do is clean out the car that my dad just bought and I just drove back from Queensland with, because it's got all my shit in it and it's not my car. So that's actually the first thing. So the first thing we're about to do is make the room even messier. How good. And then after we do that, we need to clean. And I only have a couple hours to clean today because I've been putting it off all day. I've been up since 5 a.m. this morning and it is now 6 p.m. and I haven't done anything that I said I would do. So yeah, the state of my room equals atrocious. I'm not too sure on where to start. I definitely need to unpack this gym bag here, my new gym bag, because we're going to the gym tomorrow morning, so I have to pack that. Apart from that, I have no idea what the frick to do in this room. It's very overwhelming. I don't know if you can hear me with this mic or not. I'm trying to upgrade my content this year. I guess we shall do some things. I want to put something on the TV, but you guys are going to be able to hear it. But I need some, I'm an iPad kid. Okay, I'll admit it, I'm an iPad kid. I'm a YouTube kid. I need something to watch while I do things. I also feel like I need to light a candle because low-key, I haven't stepped foot in this room this year yet. I've been living at Troubles, and so today was the first day I stepped foot in this room, and it kind of stinks. I don't know if I should be admitting that or not, but yeah, it kind of stinks. I feel like I could use this as a garbage bag. I'm so bored. Yeah, here we go. It's a cleaning video by Mia Sayoka. Whoa! This turns into a backpack. I wish I had a cleaner. I feel like I need a break already. I have 40 minutes until I'm leaving and going back to Trouble's house. So I didn't do very much. Gonna pack my gym bag. Probably all I'm gonna do for today, and then we're gonna attempt this tomorrow. Oh, we're doing so well. I don't even know if you can see them, but I have a shoe graveyard basically right here. Okay guys, we're back, day 2 of cleaning. If I don't finish cleaning today, you won't be seeing this video. So like that's kind of motivation. And I think the first step is to put all the clothes away because I have clothes on the floor, I have clothes on the bed, there's clothes everywhere. I would say we've had a bit of a productive day today, but it is midday and all I've done is go to the gym, eat, shower. Also, yes, I'm wearing PJ pants. The only shorts I have that fit me are dirty. Both my pants and linen pants are dirty. And then I only have gym clothes and most of my gym clothes are dirty. I really need to do some washing. PJs it is. And if anyone has any really good clothing brands that I should buy some good quality shorts from, let me know. I'm gonna need to make some room on my bed. Yes, I'm just relocating messed other spots. Oh, there's just fucking shit everywhere. Okay, the clothes are sorted on the bed. Everyone comment down below and say thank you, Mom, because she has just taken my dirty laundry. Ding Mom! Okay, we best keep cleaning. I kind of need to film another video. We're trying to be on the YouTube game, okay? 2026 is the year of YouTube. I need to kind of make my bed because, as you can see, if I sit here to film, you can see the mess. So, once the room is clean, we'll have a clearer mind, and then we won't be so overwhelmed that all we do all day is brain rot. Look how bad oh God, it's bad. It's bad. Am I low-key filming a different video to get out of cleaning? Maybe. I feel like my room doesn't just need like a base clean, it needs low-key like a deep clean. Like I need to go through like all my cupboards and get rid of shit. I need to like wipe all the surfaces. Alright, another day, another attempt to clean these really bad, atrociously gross room. I'm definitely gonna put my Christmas tree down today and pack up the rest of my like getting ready station, aka just like in front of my mirror. And I also like kinda like, this is the worst part, and this is like the first part you see when you walk in my room. I'll just show you, it's really bad. So my goal today is to clean this. Alright, so I just basically picked up everything off the floor and put it on my bed, but we did get to sort through like what's rubbish and shit. So I think we need to do a trip to the bin, even though it's really stinking hot outside, so like I kind of don't want to. Dilemmas. I also don't know what to do with any of the shit on my bed now that I've put it on my bed. Also, my room doesn't smell anymore. Whatever smell it was is gone, thank God. I mean, my window is open, so is that door. I didn't know he did that. Achoo! Far out. It is finally time to put the Christmas tree down and pack up this little corner. Holy shit, there's so much stuff on the floor over here. Also, it's not a new day. It's still Thursday. I just had a shower and got changed. Welcome to my wardrobe. Say goodbye to Christmas. No more Christmas tree. I'm just gonna quickly put away. There's like, oh, you can actually see the mess on the whole side of the bed that I've kind of been hiding. But I'm gonna put the makeup that's on the floor. That little bit of stuff. I'm gonna quickly put that away. Alrighty, so current dilemma is I actually have no idea what the fuck to do with like majority of the stuff that's on the bed. Which is great. We love that. Everyone pray for me that I don't fall and hurt myself. This is very dangerous. I do not recommend anybody do this. Boom. Didn't die. I'm gonna do a bin run. Okay, this is an update. Look at my room. This is rubbish, and so are those two boxes. This blanket I need to somehow fit in the cupboard in the hallway, but it's packed, so I don't actually know what's happening with her. Don't know what's happening here. That is technically groceries. Cake making things, but otherwise pretty clean. Desk is atrocious. Like, this is what's left on the bed. It's actually not that bad. This is this area looking pretty good. I'm wearing these tonight when I leave my house. Obviously just the tripod, and then like clean but messy. Like, where the fuck am I meant to put that into creamy other than right there? I've just come to the conclusion that like I have too much shit for just one room. I need to have a house or an apartment at least. Okay, I think this is the best that we're gonna be able to do in the time crunch, because I gotta upload this today, like right now. My room is 100 times cleaner. Obviously, there's still some work that needs to be done, and like some things that I have no idea they need to go. I need to buy some coat hangers. I'm feeling better, and my room feels less daunting than it did at the start. Thank God. But I hope you enjoyed my first video for 2026. There are a lot of things to come. If you want more cleaning videos, reset videos, if that's the kind of thing you want from me, let me know in the comments. I think that's all I have to say. All my socials are always linked in the description. And until next time, because I know you'll be back. Bye.